Thank you for your purchase of Slick Scooter. Come ride on. Slick Scooter has special transformation system. For this, you just need to push the button from both sides on the neck of the body and twist the handle. This beautiful scooter is easy to assemble by using their parts. You also need a piler and a screwdriver. To begin the assembling, take the main body and insert front fork complete to main body. In the next step, place front handle to the main body. Your scooter Come Ride On is now ready to use. You can twist it from the neck and make it a ride-on. Or, you can make it a scooter by twisting again. Toys. Ride, Kids Pride.